Rick!
Hello and welcome back to the Butt Squad. Today we are going to be doing our first mod to the 2010 135. We're going to be doing a stage 1 tune. I just want to see the power increase from stock to stage 1, and then pretty shortly we'll also be doing downpipes and charge pipes and a bunch of other things. But in this video we're going to do the stage 1 MHD tune. Let's get into it. So the first thing you're going to want to do before we tune the vehicle is you want to hook it up to a battery tender, especially if you have an old battery. Very unlikely, but if you somehow were able to have a 2010 or even older and you have an original battery, I mean your battery is 10 plus years old right now, and is definitely not safe. If for some reason your car loses juice, you will brick your ECM and you will be spending a good chunk of money on a repair part for sure. So I got this thing hooked up, even though I think my battery is actually fairly new. And then we're going to head in the car and we're going to start working on this MHD tune. So we're in the car, and the first thing you want to do is plug in your Wi-Fi adapter for the MHD. Then you need to put the car in accessory mode. So now we're in accessory mode, and then also some other things to do to help you out is to turn off all of your electronics. Now after we put the car into the accessory mode, you want to make sure you connect to your MHD Wi-Fi adapter. We have connected. Give it a little bit of time because it will pop up eventually in the top right and let you know. Then it is best to put the car into airplane mode. Now that we're in our MHD app, you can see that we are connected to the MHD wireless adapter. We want to go to flashlight MHD map. We're going to do the V10 maps. I'm not super familiar with all of the different versions. We're just going to go with the newest version for right now. Maybe we'll switch it up later on. We are running 93 in this car and always will be. So we are going to be doing this. We may eventually go to an E30 or a E50 blend. So what you want to do is, we're also on manual transmission. So we got manual transmission, stage 1, 93. Now, in the beginning, you have to do a full right. This is going to take a good amount of time, so make sure you are prepared to hang out. Let's go to our options. Got a bunch of different things here: ethanol content analyzer, active anti-lag, which we're not going to mess with yet, allow MHD controls, bunch of different stuff here. We're not really going to mess with the exhaust purple or anything like that yet. I don't really want to destroy these cats. I'm probably going to end up selling them later on. So if anybody wants them, more than welcome to give me an offer. So we're going to go with the full right. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Eventually it has moved to just 16 minutes and we're at 2%. And it's been maybe like 1% since we came back. Or it's been about maybe 1 minute since we've come back. So it's actually maybe not going to take as long as they say. We're going to see, and then I'll let you know how our experience goes. Alright guys, so we're back. We're about 50% right now. It's only been maybe like 10 minutes. So it seems like it's not going as fast as it says. It's about, what was it, 5 minutes behind of what it said it should be. You will see a bunch of different messages going on through here though too. Like one thing I just saw, it was like erasing section 2 of DME or a bunch of different other things. So don't worry about that. It's just doing what it needs to do.
Rick!
Alright, so it's just finished up. Looks like it took about, look at what, 20, yeah, exactly 20 minutes. I think we started at 6:55. We're going to turn it off, wait 30 seconds, and we good to go. Alright, so we waited our 30 seconds. Well, the good news is the first start went well. No brick. The DME is all good. I'm gonna get this thing up to temp and take some spins with it. Alright guys, so I was gonna show you how it was. I could tell right off the bat it was definitely way quicker. We do have a small problem. I did have a misfire in cylinder 6, most likely an injector or coil pack or spark plug. Kind of figured this was going to happen. No big deal, we'll just replace this stuff if you plan on doing it anyway. But that's how you do MHD, whether it's stage 1, stage 2, just doesn't matter. You just have to have the supporting mods to move up. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and tune in for next time when we fix our misfire.